Ginyagiri uni county community gumirwo ni thina uyu wa igunyo cia ngunga undu uria kurekuo wahota gucogereria ng'aragu. Arimi muno kuma icigo iria kuragia mbembe maikarite na hahu ni undu wa hathara iria koretwo ikirehwo ni igunyo ici thutha wa guthukangio kwa irio ciao. Akiaria mwena wa Mombatha, Minister wa urimi Mwangi Kiunjuri ni augite thirikari ni irageria uria ingihota kuhurana na igunyo icio.
This year the pest has come up very early. Already the crop is in the farms for the last three weeks or 1 month, and they have already started attacking. What we would like to inform Kenyans is that the truth of the matter that fall armyworm is not only feeding on maize, it is able to feed from 100 plus plants, and therefore the issue of thinking that it goes to incubation or that is going to disappear soon, it will not disappear.
Oho Kiunjuri ni augite ni marugamitie uguri wa mbembe makumbi-ini ma mbembe nyumu mwena wa Eldoret nigetha guthurima arimi akiuga thuguri no ni igirirwo ni turia nime.
We have said clearly that for us to correct enemies now to the National Cereals and Produce Board, we have to vet the farmers. And if you can look at it, for example, in Nakuru, where we used to have long lines waiting, trailers waiting with maize. Already that has reduced. As per today, we had only 8 lorries lined up. The question is, where did the other people who had trucks lined up, over 100 of them disappear to? Because you have said you have to vet, and now they are confessing that they have bought maize from their neighbors, bringing them to the government to make business. The only interpretation you can give to that is that they are unscrupulous farmers who are taking advantage. However, the vetting is ongoing, and those with genuine farmers who cultivated their land and they harvested, we are still collecting maize from them.
Ihinda-ini riu abunge ni baugire he bata thirikari yo ikinya irumu ria kugitira arimi.
This pest, and that you are meeting the governors next week. We actually are asking the governors to please come up with whatever they have to assist the ministry, because this agriculture is a devolved function, and therefore we're asking, we are estimating to be about 1 billion Kenya shillings to be able to fight this menace, and therefore we're asking the governors from Uasin Gishu, Wakaming, Trans Nzoia, Nandi, Bomet, and other areas that are actually affected, at least to come up with some money to be able to fight this menace, because if we don't do this, we are bound to have problem at the end of this season.
We have also requested the CS that on payment of maize delivered to the National Cereals and Produce Board, that they should put into consideration our farmers as a priority to come first, especially the small farmers. As we also know, we have our large-scale farmers. Then the traders who come in will be paid last, so that the farmers' interests are taken care of.
Maize being a stable food, and something that is used by all Kenyans, I want this thing of armyworm to be treated as an emergency. And since the government has money for emergency, I will request the government to at least give out 1 billion so that we're able to solve this problem.
Atongoria aya mekwaragia hingira-ini cia mucemanio wa kamiti ya bunge iria roraga mĩgiĩ ũrĩmi.